punk rockers and anyone that's a fan of a band called the R.A.M.O.N.E.S. No. The fucking R.A.M.O.N.E.S. I want to see a mosh pit for this one, alright? Alright? Mosh pit, you can remember that, can't you? Alright. Are you ready? Say yes. Say fuck you. Fuck you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, it's for the R.A.M.O.N.E.S. They're only 1 minute long, those songs, you know. This one is dedicated to me, because I keep doing this in spite of all the odds and all sorts of shit that happens. So this one's for fucking me, alright? Because you gotta be mad to keep doing it, and I am, believe me. This is called Over the Top.